Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called unit load. The term unit load refers to the size of an assemblage into which a number of individual items are combined for ease of storage and handling. For example, a pallet load represents a unit load which can be moved easily with a pallet jack or forklift truck, or a container load represents unit for shipping purposes. A unit load can be packed tightly into a warehouse rack, intermodal container, truck or box cars. It can be easily broken apart at a distribution point, usually a DC, wholesaler or retail store, for sale to the customer or for use. Most consumer and industrial products move through the supply chain in unitized or unit load form for at least part of their distribution cycle. Unit loads make handling, storage and distribution more efficient. They help reduce handling cost and damage by reducing individual handling. A typical unit load might consist of corrugated fiberboard boxes stacked on a pallet or slip sheet and stabilized with stretch warp, pressure sensitive tape, strapping or shrink wrap. System-based design is a proven process of unit load component cost optimization based on an understanding of how the pallet packaging and material handling equipment interact during product distribution and storage to design the unit load component parts. A system-based approach to unit load design uses software tool and lab testing to create package that uses just the right amount of material to protect the product, make the safe handling and transportation, and minimize the use of non-recyclable material. Thanks for watching. Bye.